In this video, we are going to go through how to create a Google Tag Manager account. So first things first, you can either go to Google and type in Google Tag Manager, which will lead you to the same page we are on now. From there, we can click Create Account. So you're going to now add in your name. Country will fulfill itself. Then add your domain name. And web is most likely what you'll be using it for. From there, we have to set the terms, and boom, we have the account created. It will present you with the tracking code that will be entered in the head and body. If you can do that, you can visit other tutorials, or if you're providing access to a developer, you can simply go to admin, then go to user management, then click the plus button, add users, and enter their email address in here. And make sure you tick off publish, approve, and edit. Then send an invitation.